Not following your interest, it's not a good idea. Are you planning to study general degree? Like business degree, marketing, sociology? Universities is a choice, but you need to be sure of what you're going to do. If you are not sure about it, then don't do it. Or else sleep with it. If you want to enjoy your life, one of the choices could be becoming a chef. Study in this academy. Manage your time. Be your own boss. Work for yourself. It's your passport to the world. You can work in different areas. Hotels, restaurants, manager, private chef, front and back of the house, open your restaurant, catering services. Come to Hong Kong Culinary Academy. Scan the QR code for more information.